bread.
And that happened. Let's go.
I'm keeping it up.
Speed right there. Speed right there when you're going through the wall. Do you have a penny in your case?
Yep.
That was beautiful.
Everybody has that.
The speed eraser as he flips it over.
I want to do it again.
That's 6:49.
My cuticles taste like bread.
Dude, look.
Speed right there. Speed right there when you're going through the bed. And you gotta go ass. Speed right there.
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
Somebody's gonna come out of the house and yell at you. I'm calling it right now.
They're gonna be like, hey, and then they're just gonna sing along with them. It's gonna be the most annoying thing ever.
No, it's gonna be the most funny thing ever.
Christian, I've seen a person walk a dog before, but I've never seen a dog walk a person.
You're gonna record into that and say Faggot gets pulled by a little dog.
Actually, it's not that little. It's like full of energy though.
I hope I'm getting all of this right now.
What?
I'm gonna like scream if my recording crashes.
What do you mean?
Oh,
You're recording?
That's how we record.
I recorded you flip over with it.
Yeah!